Go ahead. Good morning and a very warm welcome to everybody to our 200th session of Empowering Morning Conversations. And we are all celebrating the day, and I'm celebrating it in a lovely place called Goa. And I'm so happy to be with you today. 200 days without fail, rain or shine. Now, the first thing I'd like to do is to, express my gratitude to each and every one of you who has been in this journey with us for the last 200 days. Now, there are people who have not missed a single session, but more important people are the ones who actually, pushed me to do this. So the gentleman by the name of Vetrivel Shanmugam, my very, very grateful thank you to you for persuading me to start this, and for Rama and Kunen for supporting me and standing with me, and each and every one of you, like you've stood with me like a rock, Niti and Shakti and Reddy Garu and Gautam and everyone. If you'd not been there, we would not be doing this. All right. So I'd like Vetrivel to say something to the group, that what made him ask me to do this and why are we doing this. Sahu Saab, nice to see you today. Gopal ji, nice to see you today. Sagar ji, very, very nice to see you too. And Imtiaz Bhai, one of my oldest participants here. Good to see him too. Yes, Vetri.
Good morning, sir. It's been a miraculous as well as a happy moment. I'm not able to express it.
At least today, allow yourself to be seen as you speak.
Yes, I am there.
I can't see you.
I'm there in the screen, sir. My camera is open.
And which camera is open?
There are two batteries, sir. So one is off.
1 second.
Yeah. For the
sir, where are you? Here you are. Yes, please.
Sorry, sir. Yeah, thank you very much, sir. It is, if I want to put these things in one word, it is happened through me, and I want to take you to all the great people, and something has to happen magically, and it is a gift. So I don't take any credit on this, and it has to happen this way. And by doing this, I am the biggest beneficiary, where a lot of things are happening in my life. So many aspects have been straightened, and I'm just enjoying every bit of it. So I can't express too much. Now we are celebrating. I have great gratitude to you, sir. Like I earlier mentioned, my family has become very big. I have every member across the globe from this EMC. I feel the closeness than my close relatives. So deep gratitude to you, deep gratitude to everyone, and let it grow. That is my wish. I'm throwing to the universe. It should go benefit so much of people, sir. With that prayer, I'm just handing over to you.
Thank you. And I'll request Kunen Saab to speak, another major member of our team. And then Sagar has requested, we'll ask him after that. Go ahead.
Yeah, thank you so much. And again, warm welcome one and all on behalf of Mr. Sukdeepak Malwai. And we are here celebrating 200 days of empowering morning conversation. So congratulations to one and all. And first of all, my heartfelt gratitude to you, sir, because through this empowering morning conversation, and on various other platforms, interaction with you has definitely transformed, or I can say that in the process of transforming myself. So that's a great achievement, and I'm sure you all present here in this room, in this call, would definitely agree with me and what Vetri has just now told. And just one statement I wanted to say that we all look for someone's validation. Like we all know that we like if people like us. That's a wonderful feeling. But the real pleasure, real feeling is that when we started liking ourselves, that's the real achievement, in my opinion. That's what has happened with me. Once upon a time, I used to be in a default mode of worrisome, thinking about past, all the memories, worried about the future, all the imagination, what will happen, all such stuff. But with Sir, with Empowering Morning Conversation, one of my biggest achievement is that I have started living in the present, in the moment, in the reality, in now. And that's what the life is all about. So that's a very powerful take away for me, or I can say that it was a giveaway from Mr. Sukdeepak. Another important thing, what I wanted to share with you all, I think Hasina ji wanted to share something, or
Hasina ji's mic is unmuted.
Yeah. So other two important points why I wanted to share with you, sir, and all that, I learned the magic of forgiveness, because when you forgive, you set two souls free, and it has a power. I used to be in that mind state, a bit stuck, but I learned this a wonderful tool from Sir, that how you can set your soul free by using the technique, various techniques what he has taught us. And when you forgive yourself, when you forgive others, when you be in the really be mode, without any judgment, without any reaction, but being aware and responding, then the life, all of life comes to us with ease, joy, and glory. So I have learned this technique, still miles to go. And other important thing, what I've learned, sir, that we all look for happiness. And we think that if we acquire something, if we grab something, if we get some position, the material and all such things will make us happy. I was thinking like that, but having conversation with Sir every morning, empowering morning conversation and interaction with you all, learning from the sharings of you all, I realized that happiness is a quality of soul within. And that's what is getting transformed here on this platform. And I feel really blessed. And my heartfelt gratitude to Sukdeepak sir and all of you to making this possible for all of us. So my salute to you, sir, and congratulations once again for 200 days. I am sure we'll keep on just adding zeros in this, and the journey will continue till we are one family. So thank you so much. Back to you, sir.
I think, the soul which is always happy got bored with being happy and said, okay, let's go to this plane and experience all this chaos of this reality, And now it wants to get back to being happy. The soul was there, completely happy, and he got bored with that. So that's what human beings are, isn't it? So if you are always in a state of happiness also, you will get bored. I'll remind you about this poem I told you a long time back. It was told to me by a 6-year-old girl, So she says, uncle, as a rule, man is a fool. As a rule, man is a fool. When it's hot, he wants it cool. And when it is cool, he wants it hot. Always wanting what is not. Interesting, isn't it? 6-year-old girl told me that. All right. Sagar, what is it that you had to say? Thank you for being there with us also.
Okay, sir. Good morning and thank you, sir. And congratulations for this 200 EMC online session conversation. So, sir, I really want to say that you have changed or you have clicked in my life in a different way, in possible way, possibility. Now I see so many possibility in my life. I am doing just not. I'm just listening to you and making myself so easy, but I'm also taking action, sir. That's a big transformation for me. I'm taking action. Previously I used to take lots of information, no action, but now I am taking action, and I am appreciating and I am approving myself more, and I'm really thankful to this EMC session and all the people, Kunyan sir, Betibal sir, Darshana ma'am, Asina ma'am, everybody, Neti ma'am, uh, Ramjan sir, Sukhdeep sir, always, everybody, I'm thankful, and you all are very lucky people, and I think we all are lucky people. I feel myself that I am lucky, and I always ask the universe to help me, and I think this is the one of the great platform or universe have given me that gift to uplift myself. And I have not just this session, I have not just kept within myself, I have shared with my friend, and previously my friend also came, and I hope they will come in another session or coming session, and they will get lots of benefit, and they have get lots of benefit. And I will also like to uh, organize one program here in Kathmandu, Nepal, and it will be wonderful, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah, Niti. The turn of the girls now. And of course, we'll
Good
have to
morning,
listen to Darshana ji also and Hasina ji also. It won't work if they don't speak. So after Niti, then Shakti, and then Darshana, and then Hasina, and then let's get on with the business of the day.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everybody. Indeed, this is a very, very special episode number 200. And what I realize as we are sitting through the session, looking back at all the 200 days that we have been together, what comes to me is how this entire forum was conceptualized. I have no idea what was the thought process or what were the parameters written behind all of this. But what comes to me today is this is a forum that gives me freedom to share. This is a forum that gives me freedom to talk my heart out. It gives me freedom to take what I want. It gives me freedom to ask what I want. It gives me the freedom to adopt the learnings, the sharings at my own pace. That is the most beautiful part of it. Today, if I have to, after 200 sessions, if somebody asks me what are the parameters or what are the principles or what are the conditions of this forum, there are none. I think the only condition, if at all we can put, is come, share, talk, be with us. That's all. And that is what that makes this session so beautiful. I can come here and share unconditionally. I know I'm not being judged. Even if I am wrong, it doesn't come in between our relationships. But even more surprising is when we are sharing all our aches and pains and learnings and achievements and even all our wrongs, the bond is just growing. Unconditionally, the bond grows. That is the beauty of this forum. It's like a pot of gold. You put your hand in and you take your gold out. That's all I can think of at the moment, sir. Thank you very much for bringing this family together. And please keep leading us. And each one has a very special place in my heart today and always. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, Shakti, give us some Shakti.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My heartfelt gratitude to you, sir. Without you, it's I don't know how my life would be. I was keep on searching for some stuff. I don't know what it was. I was searching, but after I met you, the search ends. Especially after Access Consciousness, the class, my search ends. I have transformed my life, sir. Without EMC, it's not at all possible. EMC played a big role in that. It makes my life every day better and better. for sure. When I was in Hong Kong, I used to attend every day, but when I came to India, it's like I missed a few sessions. I realized the value of that missing those sessions that day, how it went without EMC. Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Big catalyst role you are playing with me. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Darshana ji.
Good morning, everybody. For me, this was a chance encounter. I joined on Hasina Say So, but just out of respect for her. I didn't really expect much. And I've never really been a very thinking person because I lived by the adage of it could have been worse. So I was not a thinking person. But coming here consciously or unconsciously, it has made me a thinker. So now I think a lot. And also, it has taught me the distinction between making a choice, making a distinction, how to ask for things. I was never comfortable asking for anything from anybody. I was always a giver, but now I think I'm beginning to accept help and ask what it is. Because I hear everybody sharing here, and they are not afraid to ask or they are not afraid. And I'm not afraid of making a mistake or saying the wrong thing because I know that here nobody will judge me for being wrong. That is the most valuable thing because we did not say so many things for fear of being judged, and we undertook so many hardships for this the same reason. There was so much baggage that we were carrying, and gradually I'm started to drop the baggage, and now I don't worry about other people. As I've learned here, that their happiness is not my problem because they are capable of finding their own happiness. So now I don't worry about reconciling people or anything. Of course, it's coming a bit gradually. It's coming a bit slow, but it has started coming. So I don't worry myself now as to what will happen in the future. So now future is for them now. My thing is done. So now I am much more at ease with my conflicts, with my relationships, with my conditioning. Now I really learned to relax now. Formerly I was not a relaxed person. Now I relax. Though even though now I take life as it comes, but I am happy doing that. Initially, I was not because my worry was always for others. And I read somewhere that the best way to you want to drop your weight, drop the weight of the opinion of others for you. A lot of weight you can drop that way. So for me, that has been a thing. And obviously, like of course, the family over here, this is extended family that we have formed here, has helped me a lot by just listening to other people's sharings and their problems and all. I realized that sometimes my problem is not as big as theirs. So I should be happy about that. And hearing them share also makes them lighter in their lives too, because once it comes out, you feel so much lighter once you have shared your achievements, your failures, and especially your failures, and then you receive encouragement for those failures. Nobody is judging you for your failures, everybody is encouraging you. So in that way you feel more confident. Okay, it's just a mistake, it can be rectified, it's nothing that great a mistake. So what if I made a mistake? Everybody makes a mistake. So that realization is there, and then you're no longer you want to hide that mistake. Normally when you know you're in the wrong, you don't talk about it because you just want to keep it within you. But that again creates a lot of baggage in you by not accepting it, by not admitting it. So on this forum, you can admit anything you want, accept anything you want. So even just by listening to everybody, and now everybody feels like your own. You don't feel that Niti is different, she's not a part of you. Vetri is different, he's not a part of you. Like everybody is a part of a loving family that we have formed. And this family for me definitely has more importance than the other one. So for me, this has been very beneficial. I try not to miss any session.
Yeah.
And then, so that is why I come here day in and day out. So first I will thank Hasina for inviting me. And then thank you all for making me learn so much, realize so much, and become aware of so much. And I'm sure as days go by, I'll become more and more aware of things. And now I'm realizing things, though little like subconsciously in my conscious. But I'm sure that will come to the fore now and turn into action. So thank you very much.
Wonderful, wonderful. And before we invite the Hasina ji and Mr. Mohan, I have something for you. Only for you, Darshana ji. Listen to it.
Give me some sunshine, give me some breeze. Thank you so much. It's one of my favorites too. Thank you very much.
And I thought it would be appropriate for all of
Yeah.
us, actually,
Yeah.
each and every one of us, I think especially for the elders, like you and me. So Hasina ji, thank you for inviting Darshana ji and everybody. And Mr. Mohan, we are waiting for you very eagerly. So happy that you are willing to speak to us today, but after Hasina ji. All right, Hasina ji, go ahead.
Yes, sir. All this is valid for me. Also, this song goes for me so well. I have always been wanting to help people. I never cared for myself. So my sister has come down from Dubai to go to, she lost her husband, and I was to go with her to Surat to help her out to close her house because she's going back to Dubai. I went, my back is aching like crazy, but I said, no, I want to help her. I went to the station, I sat in Satabdi with her and with my sister and her son. And just about 20 minutes back, I said, no, I can't come. I can't just, my back is breaking. And I was thinking, whatever happens, I want to help. But then it was not possible. So I got down and I waited at the station. My daughter-in-law came back and picked me up and brought me home. So now I've realized that I keep doing things, not looking after myself, which I'm not going to do anymore. I'm going to look after myself first because it's useless stretching yourself so much. She's 2 years, I'm 80, she's 82. So I said, who is going to, there's nobody to help her. So I said, whatever happens, I'm going to help her. But I just could not help her. I'm feeling miserable for not helping her. So I came back home and just lying down. I just keep thinking of her. How will she manage all by herself? But this one thing I must realize that I must look after myself first. I'm stretching too much because while they were here for about 10 days, every morning I was after them, working for them, giving them tea, breakfast, I was just stretching myself. Now I will never do it again. Never do it.
Now we're going to send you lots and lots and lots of love and energy, Hasina ji. And you're going to start feeling better very soon.
Thank you
By the end of this call, you're going to be better. All right?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Lots of love, Hasina ji.
Sorry for this negative attitude, negative happening on such a lovely day.
Nothing negative about it. It just reminds us why it's important to be with people, why it's important to work on ourselves. Yeah, so it's just a reminder, just a realization. So what? A little pain, it's going to go away. right? And lots of energy is coming your way. You'll start feeling it soon.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Mohan Garu, good morning, and I'm so pleased to be honored by you opening your video and your audio today to speak to us. So please unmute your audio also.
So thank you very much, sir, Mr. Deepak, sir. I'm obliged highly. So I was become a very good listener by being with your group. I was never a good listener. I was only a talkative man. But by being in the group, I become a very, very good listener. So it was tempting me to share. I just to see that I can be there also like Mauna and learn things. By listening, I learn more than talking myself. So that was a great.
What did you learn then?
Yeah, that is a great lesson I received from you, sir. I'm very, very grateful to you. And I'm grateful to Mr. Rama, sir, also, because he introduced me to this group. So I am very thankful to Mr. Rama, sir, first, second. Then the third one, I invited so many people today to be in this group. So I'm really thankful to Mr. Sai Prakash.
Yeah, he's there.
Who is there now at present in the group. I'm thankful to Mr. Sai Prakash. Welcome to the group, sir. Mr. Sai, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you for joining us. All right, Abhinav, your turn.
Yeah, so good morning, everyone. I wanted to express my gratitude to Sukhdeepak and everybody else in the group. So first of all, let me share my, my emotions. Like I can share with you that I'm in love with all of you. But except Deepak, I haven't met anybody else in the group. I haven't touched anyone. I don't really know कि उनके घर में कौन है, mother, father, sister, children. I have no idea. But yet everybody is so wonderful and everybody is so beautiful. And when Darshana ji was sharing, I had tears in my eyes, and when Hasina ji was sharing, I had tears in my eyes. And still I have tears in my eyes. Listening to them, and I just wish that if I was free, I would have gone to Surat to help our friends. Anyway, so secondly, I want before I joined this group, on one hand, I wanted to take up a job. On the other hand, I was also worried that if I did get a job, will I be able to perform? They will probably sack me after the end of 1 month or 2 months or 3 months. तुम्हारे बस का कुछ रहा नहीं, तुम तो चले हुए बॉम्बो. But not only after joining the group, I got a job, a good job. They gave me more salary than I was asking for. You will all be surprised, shocked and surprised to know that I'm the best performer in the company in just about 2 weeks time that our job has started. And our Delhi office is in a co-working space. And not only see, there are other people, so many companies, ऊपर नीचे दाएं बाएं, in a co-working space. There are so many companies, and they are actually talking to the people in my company कि ये कौन आए हैं, ये कौन है, इतने अच्छे आदमी कौन है, इतने बढ़िया आदमी कौन है. That people are actually talking about me जिनको मैं जानता भी नहीं हूँ. So, and every day is a very highly successful day. Yet every day जो मैं घर में आके सोता हूँ, सुबह उठता हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि लाइफ जो है वो बेकार है. हो क्या रहा है ये लाइफ? I feel like shit, and then again I attend this session, and then I'm full of energy for the whole day. I'm a big winner. So thank you all.
Congratulations, Abhinav. घर आके डिफॉल्ट मोड में हो जाते हो, हैं? उसको भी चेंज करना पड़ेगा. उसको भी चेंज करना पड़ेगा. Thank you very much for sharing.
Thank you. And Hasina ji, we all love you. Get well soon. And अगर दिल्ली में कभी कुछ कैंसियर में काम हो तो बेहिचक बता दीजिएगा.
Thank you so much.
कोई भी सपोर्ट चाहिए हो, we are there. And unfortunately, अब मेरी जॉब ऐसे कि otherwise I would have gone to Surat and helped you.
Oh,
but unfortunately, I can't do that.
Hasina ji, I can tell you that if Abhinav is saying it, I know that he does things like that.
Okay.
He is the kind of guy who would actually go to Surat and do it.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Abhinav.
Thank you.
Milanji.
Yes, sir. Thanks, everybody. Thanks, Sukdeep. Special thanks to you. I'm a little lateral entrant in this group. I'm not from the day one kind of thing. But then I tell you, for me, the this is actually for me, EMC giant kardala to life jeete chingalala. And honestly, ever since I have joined this EMC group, I have learned to live my life. So long I have been living others' life, I have been learning my life now. A. B is this, the great thing in this group, what I have got is, I have been loved the way I am. It's not that everybody has questioned what I am. So long I have been questioned, I've been judged, I've been guided, I have been influenced, but this is where I have been loved by everybody the way I am. Never ever question, if anybody questions, why are you like this? They have loved me the way I am. For me, the lesson that I have learned is to be gratitude, to be grateful. It wasn't there with me. It was not so profound. This is what has the lesson that I have learned from this group is this. So these are very succinctly, it's precisely the gain that I have. And I'm really grateful to this group. Special thanks to Sukdeep Ji once again. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you very much. And I just wanted to say, that I'm listening to all of you and I'm getting more and more emotional. I'm feeling more and more grateful. And I'm thinking of some of my trainer friends who will tell me, Arey Sukdeepak, tum pagal ho gaya hai. Why are you giving all this wisdom for free? And I want to tell them, you come and sit here and feel what I'm feeling right now. What I'm getting back from you guys is priceless,
Yes, sir. EMC is a feeling, it's a realization. It's nothing to be explained, nothing to be this thing talked about, but this is something one has to be here to feel, to actually experience and experiencing. Thank you.
And I'm the one who's receiving so many gifts from you every day. Can you imagine? Every one of your sharing probably going to add a few more years to my life. So thank you so much for that. And now my Malagudi babe, Suchitra, I'm going to call her the Malagudi babe from now on. You got a new name, Suchitra?
Sir,
Malagudi babe.
sir, to everybody, I'm sorry I'm not on camera. I'm not ready for the day and don't feel like coming on camera on some days, sir. But I still want to share. Sir, when I ran into you, I had it had been a few months since I lost my father, and I was completely disoriented and did not know my way about in life. So even without knowing, I had slipped into a very negative state. And what I found with you and also with Rama is that despite being the oddball that I am, you always made me feel so loved and honored me and played the game with me in the way that I feel most comfortable. And through so many ups and downs, you held me, sir. And now I feel like ready to take on life. Though I'm still a bit shaky, but I know I'll fly someday. And seeing all the various people, it's a very heartwarming feeling every morning. So I love each one of them. And many times through the day, I think about everybody. And Hasina ji, Milan sir, Darshana ma'am, and all the people, young and old, they all have a very special place in my heart. Thank you, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much, Suchitra, for being a part of us. You are a source of inspiration. You should know that. I am inspired by you. And on that note, I'm just remembering that I want to remind each and every one of you. So we've got people here from the age group of, I think, 20 up to maybe 85. And we've got people here from England. We've got people here from Dubai. We've got people here from Hong Kong and all over the country, And what I want to remind you of is this. You are a wonderful, magnificent, and extraordinary human being. So who are you? a wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary human being who deserves to be loved and respected for being who you are. So you don't have to win a gold medal to be respected, you know. You don't have to be perfect. If God wanted us to be God, he would have made us God, right? But he made us human. And we are wonderful, magnificent, and extraordinary human beings. That's what we are celebrating here every day.
So I would also like want to add that you bring people in touch with their own intrinsic strengths, and that is a very wonderful feeling on a consistent basis, like to have a feeling of one's own strength. Thank you for very much.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, now we will invite your sharing again after a little while. Kunen, you wanted to say something, so we'll let you do that.
Yes, sir. If you allow me, because one of the regular member, because of some reason, Raghu Raman, he's not able to share his words. So if you allow me, can I read quickly, sir? He has written in the chat box.
Yeah, please do.
So,
I saw what he has written. But
yeah, so thank you so much, Raghu Raman. I just wanted to read out your statement. He said that it is different forum to start the day with full positivity and energeticity. Also to change our thinking pattern and how you handle all difficult situations in a more matured way. Thanks, sir, and all the members. Raghu Raman from Dubai. Back to you, sir.
Raghu Raman is one of our regulars who's now got so much inundated by work that he doesn't have time, unfortunately, to come, but he comes whenever he can. All right. So once again, a very, very good morning to you. And let's get into what I had a little bit of something I wanted to speak to you. So we are here on the 200th session of Empowering Morning Conversations. And the objective is very, very, very nicely encapsulated in this Access Consciousness magic mantra, which says, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. So please note the use of the word all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. That's what we want, isn't it? That all of life. So when we want all of life to come to us with ease, joy, and glory, there is no good life, bad life, good experience, bad experience, is there? There isn't. So I want to give you something. What have we been doing here? And what is it that we do here every day without fail? Now, why do we need to do it every day without fail? Because the circumstances and the negativity that bombards us are so relentless without fail. I request everybody, please mute yourself. See, the negativity, if in this world, comes from all around, isn't it? It doesn't stop. So we need to do something to counter it at least once in a day, so we can start our day right. Be in touch with our power. So one of the things that we do is we are shifting from the survival or default mode. And the survival or default mode, what are we doing? We are reacting, we are resisting all the time. You check it out, more than 90% of the time, this is what we do. We are allowing ourselves to be influenced by the circumstances or the environment. Okay. So whatever we do, this little bit of sharing, the little bit of tools that I give you, the questions that I ask you, the questions that you ask, all together helps us to put our awareness into creating our life rather than just surviving our life. Second, to dissipate, we are picking up negativity, we need to dissipate it rather than sitting on us. If you carry the negativity, it's a burden. We have negativity, we spread negativity. So dissipate that so that we can have positivity. And then when you have positivity, you become a possibility seeker. A lot of people's default mode is to see only negative, only obstacles. साधारण लोगों को रुकावटें नजर आती हैं. Ordinary people see roadblocks and extraordinary people see possibilities. If you see roadblocks, you will only complain, isn't it? If you see roadblocks, you will only blame or complain, or you will say, hello, what else is possible? And you look for a possibility and you'll take an action rather than being stuck in complaining and blaming, isn't it? So that's another thing that we make possible. We help you to increase your focus and your energy. Okay? Keep your focus where it should be and deal with energy drainers. We do that. How do we do this? One, we've always been talking that stop judging. At least for God's sake, stop judging yourself. A lot of times people ask me, sir, if I don't judge myself, how will I improve? Hello, you are allowed to evaluate yourself, not judge. Judging puts a label on you. Evaluation is a matter of fact, knowing, okay, this is the way it is and this is the way it should be. So stop judging, right? And if you do that, my dear friends, every experience will be an opportunity to become a better version of yourself. Now, wouldn't you like that? Do you have any control over what kind of experiences that are coming your way? No, God sends what he sends. Every experience is sent to you with a purpose, whether you know it or you don't know it. What do? We take those experiences and we judge them. So if we like them, then we get stuck on holding on to them. Holding on also will not allow you to see possibility. So we judge them. So if we like, we hold. If we don't like, we want to reject. So we resist. Why is it happening? It should not be happening. Why is it happening to me? Blah, blah, blah. And in that process, we miss the learning that the experience has to give us. So if you stop judging, what will become possible, my friend? A smile will be there on your face. You'll say, every experience is an opportunity. Every experience is an opportunity to become a better version of yourself. Now, can you imagine if you live like that? Every experience will add value to you. Every moment, every experience is making you a better version of yourself. How does it get better than that? Tell me. And then the tools that we've taught you. The first tool we always talk about. Do you remember it? Okay, if you don't remember it, we'll remind you soon enough. So we learn, we use the tools. We don't use the tools every day, but we do use them from time to time. Why not use them here? Because you should be using it in life. Number one, we taught you exercises on getting your attention in your control. That's called dhyan, putting your dhyan where it should go. Have you noticed that our dhyan goes all over the place? Goes to the past, goes to the future, regret about the past, fear coming from the past, yeah, anxiety about the unknown future that might happen. So if your attention is in your control, where would you like to put it? अगर आपका ध्यान आपके बस में है, कहाँ डालना पसंद करोगे? Where would you like to put it? You'd like to put it where it gives you the result that you seek, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
There is something which you desire in your life. So should your dhyan be put on having your attention where it should be? That is to help you fulfill your desires, if you have them. Yeah, so getting your attention in your control, you've learned to exercise. Then getting in touch with your larger self. Who you are is not just this little physical being with emotions, you know. You're much more than this body, mind, and emotion machines. And the more you get in touch with your larger self, the more you realize the stupidity of what we do, right? The more you realize how much power you have to create your own life. And you learned a tool called Discreate. Whatever is going on with you, you are creating it. You have the power to discreate it. So we have shown you how to discreate it, and we'll show it again. And The first tool that will always free you from the circumstances, it's called the power of generation. Okay? So how about using the power of generation right now? So when I say 1, 2, 3, see, we have the ability to generate whatever emotion we want. So let me put it in perspective. Circumstances seem to control our life, don't they? Circumstances seem to be controlling us all the time. And how do circumstances control us? Through our feelings. So if something happens, you feel discouraged, it affects your action. If something happens, it affects your mood. Then you say, oh, when I'm in a good mood, I'll do my 100%. So I say, if circumstances are affecting your actions, why don't you learn to generate the feelings that you need so that you can give your 100%? So for that, we have one exercise. The more you do it, the better you realize you can generate any emotion you want that is required. So right now, what's the emotion we want? Happiness, joy, right? So when I say, please unmute your videos, everybody. So when I say 1, 2, 3, we will all generate 100% laughter without making any sound. So 1, 2, and 3, go. No sound. Now you tell me what can be better than what you're feeling right now. Huh? How does it get better than that? So having said that, and having given you a little bit of a recap about what we've been doing for the last 199 sessions, I want to open the floor to some more people who might want to share their experiences with the tools or anything else that we've learned in this platform. So who'd like to share?
I've been able to practice consciously the difference between choice and decisions. I thought both of them were the same. And after attending one of your most profound programs, maybe on day 130 or 140, I realized choice and decisions are absolutely different. And the more you start having choices, you find a lot of possibilities opening up. Truly, I found this session highly learning, very, very intense and most profound. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, Sagar.
Yes, sir. The first session was for me was default mode and creative mode, and what is blocking us to be in creative mode is self-judgment and the point of view. And this is the one of the best tool for me. Everything is a point of view, and it is not absolute truth. And I find it's very helpful to apply in our life in every circumstances and situation. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And Ashok ji, very
Yes,
warm
sir.
welcome to you.
Thank you, sir.
Nice to see you here.
200 sessions, something which we are really proud of to be here every morning, and something which we miss. Maybe there are occasions I have lost it. I joined around 55 or 60, but yes, it's a wonderful experience. In very short, if I have to tell, you introduce myself to me. I never knew myself. I was under impression that what I see in the mirror is me. That's not me. Me is totally different inside. The one face which is to be shown to the public is different. The me inside is different. And you really focused myself and introduced myself to me. it has been really wonderful, wonderful. And in last 3 months, I would say at least I resolved maybe 30, 40 things which have not been resolved in last 50, 60 years.
My good God.
It's amazing. And Hasina, Ratan, all those coming from Dignity, our concept of life looking at it is totally different. Our concept of life looking in Rotary is totally different. When I am a member of the committee of Institution of Engineers trying to page the way for the next generation, it is different. But I was mixing those issues. I was applying myself at the age of 75 plus to the 25 plus because in हमारे time पे हम ऐसा करते थे, अरे भूल जाओ बाबा वो खत्म हो गया, वो अभी है नहीं. Neither that day, neither when the sun is not there, nothing is there. Why are you referring to that? You talk today and tomorrow. Nobody is interested in that past. But the 4 or 5 different roles which we play, ladies also play the same role: mother, grandmother, wife, sister, and those roles are different. Similarly, it was a wonderful. It is wonderful that when I sit in a chair in Rotary, my way of looking at it is different. When I sit with the committee members for the education, it is different. And as a surprising thing, yesterday I received a call from one of the institutions in Maharashtra connected with that. Sir, we would like you to be invitee for all our meetings of the managing committee. I said, for what? He said, नहीं, but साहब आप आओगे ना, तो मीटिंग में एक मजा आता है, अलग तरह की मजा आती है, आप जरूर आ जाइए. I am not elected. I have not filled any form. Nothing. But they feel that and it's not me, sir, and friends. It is all credit goes to all of you, 70, 80, whatever we are there. You have opened all this life. Never knew that the same view can have so many different angles to look at it. Never knew. They were all connected with one type of experiences, connected maybe with the engineering or with the medical or with something else or personal. But same thing which looked at different angles and different age has a different meaning. Thank you, sir, and thank you everybody. Why? It's a family. I can vouch that if I go to any of the city where any one of these staying and say that I'm there, I will be welcomed home and we will have a really good chatting and evening. I'm sure of that.
Absolutely.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, everybody.
Thank you. Okay. So who else? Yes, Kunan, you want to say something?
No, he just wanted to say thanks to Ashok sir for sharing his wisdom, sir. I learned a lot from him. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah, Ratanji, you want to say something? Acha, Rajeshekharan. Yes, Rajeshekharan. Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, one of the session we asked, what are you creating today? That question's deeply rooted in me, and it whenever there is a difficult situation, whenever there is a new possibilities, I always take that question and it's a perspective in the life. And thank you very much, sir. Thanks a lot for conducting so many other session also is there, but this session is that particular session deeply changed my perspective.
Thank you. And this is good. So it reminds me to tell you that I always say, live by choice, not get confused by your decisions. Thank you. Now, Bhadraji, and then after that, Ratanji. So go ahead, Bhadra.
Good morning, everybody. Yesterday's session, all the session was important to me and everybody. But yesterday's session is changed in my life. And I understand I can do so many things with my passion and liking. So I can really, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. And I really acknowledge the testimonial or other people are expressing the gratitude to serve. Really, it helps everybody, especially to me. It's a great meaning. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ratanji, all the way from England. What time of the morning is it now? 2 o'clock in the morning?
Yeah, 4 in the morning. Yeah. So I was the one of the laziest person while when it comes to getting up. I never woke up before 6 to 7, and now I set up the alarm, but God wakes me up just before the alarm. So thanks to Ashok and to the whole family to be so welcoming. And I keep on learning everything, something every day. Thank you.
Yes, Vetri.
Sir, I just want to share a quick thing. Am I audible, sir? I just changed my
Yes,
audio
yes,
channel.
yes. You are.
Great, sir. Two things I would like to quickly mention. It has got its own significance. One is 2 days back, one of my close friend, he's not able to join regular calls, and once he came, but I spent all the time with him. Good moment, bad moment, even weekend moments, all moments. What I talk is what we have experienced with you. I only keep on talking. 2 days back, he called me. He said, Vetri, I want to tell you something. You call your magician, you tell him that his magic is working in different level also. I asked him, what are you talking about? I said, today I went to meet a client. The client was in a different mode he was in a worry mode about his daughter. I spent some time with him. All the tools which Sukdeepak used to tell us, I told him. I could literally see his face changes, and it's like he felt something good. He purposely said this. You go and tell your magician his magic works in different level. He is not attending session. You are giving me something. I am going and giving him something, and he is going and giving something, and something is happening. That is one thing. Second thing, Raghu is there in the call. I just take a privilege to share some personal thing. Raghu's office colleagues, we have some business, my business, company business, and our company where I'm working and Raghu company are connected on a business mode. His colleagues were telling me, sir, one of my friend told me, if Raghu was a earlier person, I could not have stand with him and work with him. Now everybody is saying you are lucky because Raghu got transformed 100%. That's like Raghu didn't even know this. That guy is feeling this, and the whole office, 5 people are speaking about this. And I just literally felt tears in my eyes, and I told Raghu also. I am just telling it in a different level, sir. I'm representing somebody who cannot come and express here. And thank you very much, Haritaji. Good morning.
Good morning, Vetri.
Thank you for sharing that. Yes, Sakshi. Let me put you on the screen. Yes, please. Go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. Firstly, my heartiest congratulations to you, Sir Sukdeep Malwai, sir. I am really, really grateful that you're conducting these sessions selflessly, unconditionally. Thank you so much. And all the pioneers over here, everybody who's participating, everybody who's sharing, and accepting each and everyone wholeheartedly. I am a new member over here, but I not even an inch, not even an iota felt that I'm new. I was accepted so wholeheartedly, so warmly, that I think so right from the day one when I wanted to express myself, I was allowed, I was welcomed, and I was listened to, and I was guided. So I love this platform. That is the reason I've become a regular over here. So I would not say that I'm an outsider, but I've just joined recently. So my perspective about this group is that it is awesome. It is very loving. yet at the same time, it is very meaningful. So every morning, as you say, you get charged up, you get right kind of mindset, you come in right framework of your mind that you go and face the day head on. And one more thing, what I'd like to share is that everybody has certain issues, certain baggage, certain things what we are dealing with. So coming here, we come to realization and then we get the tools to handle it. And so subtly, subconsciously, gradually, we handle them that we don't even realize that that matter is resolved. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Good day.
Thank you for sharing. Thank you so much. Okay, who else? Anybody else wants to say something? Yes, yes, Vilas, go ahead.
Good morning to all. Good morning, Sukhdeepak ji. I'm just privileged to be the part of this group, and I got an opportunity to meet you and attend the Access Bar session where I'm just, got lots of things. And this Access Bar conscious works in my life like anything. And I saw that so many opportunities are coming my way. And I see that so many people are got stuck in their life with the talent, with the efforts and all. I was just yesterday talking with my friend. He was telling I want to help my friend. He was so talented and working hard to improve his life and circumstances. I said, why can't you give me a chance to run the bars? He said, what is that? I said, give me half an hour of free time. I will come and do the things and I will explain later. It is a wonderful thing what's happening in my life and it will happen to him also. One of my gurus, I believe that he is the experienced person in his own life. He done so many things, and we think that we have one, one thing where we shared the things and we got the results. That's what I feel myself being in this group as well as with the connection with you. And whenever I feel that, okay, I want a wisdom, I want something in my life where I've got stuck, I call you or I connect with you and I feel that, okay, there is somebody who is always there, a guiding star. And we feel comfortable to talk and interact with you because of your wholeheartedness to help and to be at that moment. And I found that it is really a nice feeling to connect with you and to attend your session and to be around with you. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, Milanji.
Yeah, Sukhdeepak ji, I was before joining EMC, was an old man nearing 70. But today you have turned me a young man of 65 plus or 70, number one. Number two, I love this word of Ashokji's, this thing, what he said is, you introduce me to myself. Indeed, I have discovered myself. Thirdly, another revelation I have today, for the first time I have seen Sukhdeepak ji, when you were talking, your voice was getting choked a bit. You hadn't ever, you used to manage your emotions very, very well. But today I saw you couldn't really get over it. Your voice was getting choked. Anyway, thank you very much. I thought I'll just share.
So much overwhelming happiness that I'm getting, I mean, it's so much love flowing towards me, I can't say,
indeed,
in words. So I am quite emotional. I cry in movies also, don't worry.
I know this. Anindita keeps telling me about this. I know you through and through. So today I was just noticing through the sessions and all this, you extremely used to control your emotion very well. Today I found you. He just got over you. Your voice got slightly choked. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Reddy Garu.
Sir, good morning, everyone. Sir, in fact, I asked you in Bangalore also, I got connected. I think I got somebody invited me to get what you want. From that, I connected with you. And all these days, I feel that connecting with you is a God's gift. So I consider you as a life. In fact, But whenever I have any problem, I'll take your session and go ahead. Thank you, sir, for being with me.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And it's my honor and privilege. Okay, Reddy Garu, we are all a part of each other's lives, and we are a part of our lives because, you know, the Almighty has some role for us to play together. Okay, I don't think we have a choice. We have to be in each other's lives, so we are there. So let's thank the Lord that He brings us together like this. Thank you so much.
So you're a God-sent Messiah for us.
Arey, don't use such words.
I am telling you, sir. You have once in a lifetime.
Sir, Guru mat
you come across a person who transforms your life, who shows your way to the right direction to improve yourself. And that's what has happened in this time of my life. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Gopalji. Thank you so much. Okay, so even though I don't like to say, I think time is running off. So we need to say goodbye so we can leave tomorrow morning. Anybody who wants to say anything before we leave? We can hang on for another 10-15 minutes.
My name is Sai. Hello.
Yes, Sai.
I am reflected as SP Baud in the screen. I just want to thank you for allowing me to be a part of this group. Thank Mohan for having introduced me. I do not want to speak much because it's let me share the experience for some time. Then I learn what to say. Thank you very much.
You're Mr. Baud.
Yeah, SP Baud. I became a Buddhist 2 years ago, so I changed my name. Otherwise, my name is Sai Prakash. I have various experiences, from Hakim to Highnesses, and let me share it over a period of time in the group. But I'm not a soul at all. I don't believe in soul now. That is the advantage of being a Buddhist. I'm just the mind and consciousness. So
what is consciousness? Good question. Keep looking at it.
Sir, what I like is your living nature. You are so lively. That's very important for one in the day. And after Puneet Rajkumar's death yesterday, I've been feeling very distressed because I knew him personally. Not really interacted with him, and I was just looking at all the opportunities I lost to be with him. But then after listening to you all this morning, I feel a new era can start for me. Thank you, Mohan. Thank you, sir, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Sagar, Mr. Acharya.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I cannot say how to express my love, gratitude, respect, everything for you and everybody. So life is happening with ease, joy, and glory. It's not happening at a big bang, but life is really happening at ease, joy, and glory. And this is something really important for me because previously I used to take lots of stress or going, I have to do like this I used to be. But now, okay, relax, chill. Okay, I can do it. Like this feeling is coming. So thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you for being a part of this. Ashok ji.
Where is our friend Kuldeepak?
Kuldeep he had a stroke and he's recovering from it. So every time I talk to him, he says, yeah, I'll come. So maybe all of us have to phone him up. Right? Everybody put a message. I'm going to open the group just now. So all of you can put messages to Kuldeep ji so he feels inspired to come back. I think speech disorder hai.
Otherwise, I was thinking that can we have his at least shairi every day?
Yeah, so we'll find out. Gopalji, you are in touch with Kuldeep. Have you met him?
Yeah. But you'll be happy to know. He told me last time that he is going to join it now. Although he cannot speak much very clearly, but he managed to, sort of speak. But still, is some sort of a problem is there. But he said he will join the group.
That is why he's not coming. Unko bolo, even if he's not coming, he can give the share to you, and you can speak the share on his behalf, or he can.
Okay, but he will join next week. He told me he'll join next week.
Yeah, but he can always listen to us.
He'll join. Next week he said he'll join.
Because हमारा तो group अधूरा है without the शायरी.
Group अधूरा है. True.
अभी हम सिर्फ कुनैन जी की शायरी के साथ रह गए.
आज तो भी शादी हुई भी नहीं।
ठीक है, हम
Sir,
उनको
it's
सब
like
बता
आधा है चंद्रमा रात आधी sir without Kuldeep sir.
बिल्कुल सही
सुबह
बात है।
आधी.
Okay, anything else Ashok ji wanted to say?
I want to have a promise from you.
What is that, sir?
Till the youngest person, Sagar, till Sagar feels like not joining, this group should continue.
I have no intention of stopping it.
Wow, that's it.
सर जब तक
And-
जब तक है जहां ये ग्रुप है,
And on our auspicious Diwali approaching, such kind of assurance, really, it's something out of the world. Thank you very much, sir.
sir, on
On
the day
behalf
I
of
was to
everybody.
travel to Goa, I told my friends कि तुम लोग handle करो, but फिर भी मुझसे रहा नहीं गया. I still, while walking in the airport corridor, I had connected just to say hello to everybody. That's how dear
But
this
it's-
group is to me.
We do call our family when we reach airport, when we get in the train, when we are traveling.
This was
If
in
we are able
Mumbai
to call
only.
our family, why not our group?
Yeah, so वो हम तो फ्लाइट चढ़ने से पहले इनसे हेलो कर लिए थे. तो वो बड़ा, I feel odd, if I don't. But we have very good stalwarts getting ready now to take charge. Group will go on, and the intention is even when I stop, the group will still continue to go. That's what we are starting. कोई ऐसी चीज बनाए ना जो हमारे बगैर भी चलती रहे.
नहीं साहब, मगर आपको कैजुअल लीव मिलने वाली है नहीं.
नहीं है. Why should you stop, sir?
हम तो नहीं रुकने वाले हैं.
पार्ट टाइम वो आपके साथी जो है वो पार्ट टाइम ठीक है, बट आपको कैजुअल लीव भी मिलने वाली नहीं है. सिक लीव तो छोड़ ही दो.
नहीं वो तो हमको चाहिए ही नहीं. हमको लीव चाहिए ही नहीं. बट अगर ऊपर वाले ने स्विच ऑफ कर दिया, उस पर मेरा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है.
हमारी
सर
पहचान है.
इतने आगे मत जाइए सर. जहाँ तक
15 साल
दिखता है
तो
वहां
मैं-
तक चल जाते.
We won't allow him to do that, Sukhdeep.
ऐसे-
Verbal
ऐसे
and
अच्छे-
control. We have
अच्छे-
no
अच्छे-
control him. We can
अगर चला भी गया तो भूत बन के आऊंगा आपसे बात करने.
नहीं आपको जाने नहीं देंगे. अभी तो बोल रहे थे आप. आपको जाने नहीं देंगे.
सर हमारे ऊपर भी पहचान है.
सर 400-500 सेशन तो कर ही लेंगे.
Yes, Ashok ji, we have reached.
हमारे ऊपर भी पहचान है. वो दरवाजा नहीं खोलेगा, इधर ही रखेगा.
अच्छा चलो लीना जी से पूछते हैं. लीना जी wants to say something. Go ahead, Leena ji.
Sir, good morning and good morning, everyone.
Good
I
morning.
have
Good morning.
lots to say, but I'm not a good communicator, so I kept
Really?
quiet.
Who told
Yeah.
you you're not a good communicator? God came and told you what?
Yeah, lots of people say very nicely and very efficiently, but I can't say.
अरे
But
यार
I,
भगवान ने नहीं बोला ना आपको.
आज
भगवान ने तो नहीं बोला ना कि आप अच्छे कम्युनिकेटर नहीं हो.
नहीं, I feel so. I feel so.
ठीक है.
So my all the gratitude to all the people and to you, sir, mainly. And really, you changed my life. I must tell you that. And one thing, whenever I need you, you are there. And yeah, perception changed my.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very
That's
good.
all.
Thank
And
you.
you like my video?
Yeah, you made it.
Yeah, yeah.
अरे वाह.
Wow,
अच्छा,
wow,
उसमें आपने
wow.
लिखा है
Great,
made
great,
by
great.
EMC member. तो मैंने अरे it was your
So-
video. Fantastic.
Thank you.
Very good effort.
Thank you.
और बनाया
Thank you.
करिए ऐसे ऐसे videos. I put it on the group also.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Very nice. Yes, कुनैन जी आपकी कुछ शायरी हो जाए.
जी सर, शायरी से पहले I'll request you to let's listen. I see a new name, Payal Irani ji. So can we welcome her and can I request her to come on camera and share some of her thoughts? Payal Irani ji, if you are, yeah.
Namaste everyone. Good morning.
Namaste. Good morning. Where are you? हम आपको देख नहीं पाए.
Thank you, Conan ji. Thank you, Sukhdeepak ji. Namaste. Thank you, Ratan sir, for inviting me. Sukhdeepak ji, I just joined around 8:30. So I was listening to this beautiful audience's comments, and I really feel energetic listening to you all. Abhi, I'm little bit in a मैं कहीं और हूँ जहाँ camera I can't put on, but I'll definitely look forward to interact and joining this group.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you very much for being with us.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. If you allow me, I'll just put some couplet, and I request Darshana ji Bubbly to translate. Bubbly ji. Sir, अर्ज क्या है कि this 200, as we all know, and Sukhdeepak sir has committed, is not going to end for sure. But we have to continue our journey. And today is not definitely end of the journey. We have still learn a lot and keep on achieving whatsoever we want to achieve. So, अर्ज किया है सुखदीपक सर के एक नई सोच की ओर कदम बढ़ाओ, एक नई सोच की ओर कदम बढ़ाओ, हौसलों से अपने सपनों की ऊंचाइयों को छू कर दिखाओ।
वाह!
एक नई सोच की ओर कदम बढ़ाओ, हौसलों से अपने सपनों की ऊंचाइयों को छू कर दिखाओ, जो आज तक सिमट कर रह गई थी ख्यालों में, जो आज तक सिमट कर रह गई थी ख्यालों में, उन सपनों को सच कर दिखाओ।
वाह वाह वाह।
Okay.
वाह वाह वाह।
I'll go line by line, Kunanji, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Yes, Bubbly. एक नई सोच की ओर कदम बढ़ाओ।
With a new thought, proceed towards
हौसलों
your
से
journey.
अपने सपनों की ऊंचाइयों को छू कर दिखाओ।
अरे वाह।
With the courage in your heart, reach the. Just repeat the line.
हौसलों से अपने सपनों की ऊंचाइयों को छू कर दिखाओ।
Raise the bar of your dreams with the courage in your heart.
जो आज तक सिमट कर रह गई थी ख्यालों में,
whatever was just in your thoughts,
उन सपनों को सच कर दिखाओ।
realize those dreams and show.
And I'm sure sir has given so much tools to us, so many learning points to us, that it is possible.
Possible.
Yeah. Back to you, sir.
Was the correction, was the translation okay?
Yeah, perfectly, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
इसको रख दो, आप उसमें डाल दो, उसमें ग्रुप में डाल दो।
Okay.
हाँ हाँ डालेंगे।
डैनी को कुनैन में डाल दो सर।
बिल्कुल, कुनैन को कुनैन करके डाल दो। All right, so good. Thank you very much, and have another wonderful day, all you wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary people. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Right? And go and make somebody happy today.
Same to you, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye bye.
God bless
Bye-bye.
everyone.
See you tomorrow morning.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.